This is living in Northeast Los Angeles with Compass real estate agent Victoria.Munoz. This is my YouTube channel. If you're new here, this is living in Northeast LA. I do property tours virtually. If you're thinking about moving to Los Angeles, please call me and email me your itinerary so we can prepare for your move to Los Angeles. Today's property is located at 3707 Ackerman Drive, Glassell Park, Los Angeles, California 90065. This house is located in Glassell Park. Glassell Park is situated in between Eagle Rock, Highland Park, and Mount Washington. This property is 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom with 1,007 square feet of living space. It was originally built in 1949. The style of this home is mid-century and it does have multiple levels. Okay, so let's begin with the property tour. So as soon as you enter the property, you notice the natural lighting. So it does have skylights here in the kitchen, and the kitchen is a chef's kitchen. You'll notice the countertops and how the stove, sink, appliances are very accessible. So everything is very close for you if you're entertaining. It's an open concept, so you get to look and cook. There were the bar stools behind the countertops and this cute little dining area off to the side. This property has one full bathroom. As you notice, the bathtub, shower, and dual vanity sinks. Here's bedroom number 1 with the wood beam ceilings. Back to the chef's kitchen, and we enter bedroom number 2, which has an exit to the backyard. Okay, so from bedroom number 2, we can actually exit outside and enjoy the outdoors. There's some really nice patio furniture out here. It was really nice today. You can hear the birds chirping, perfect weather for being outside. I love this privacy fence. A lot of homes nowadays, you see the privacy fence. I really like the stucco or the exterior of this home. It's dark and the colors contrast and complement each other. So we wrap around the house and we're back in the front yard, and it's lots of shade if you like to sit outside on the porch. Really nice house. It's only been on the market for 1 day. But that house behind it. Okay, so I usually end the tours with a drive the same way we came in. So we came in through El Paso Drive to Division Street to Avenue 60, and then we started on Figueroa Street in Highland Park. And this is Avenue 60, and we will be turning left on Figueroa, and that will conclude today's property tour. So this is living in Northeast LA, and if you want to see more property tours, you can always like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you at the next video.